So if it weren't for the UMBC Biotechnology program, I definitely wouldn't be where I am professionally right now, and all the doors that have been opened to me would not be available. I went into the program with the hopes of getting a job in biotechnology. Then by summer, I had the biotechnology job. I definitely used things I learned in the UMBC program, like in my day-to-day, because lots of it has to do with like regulatory affairs. And part of the M.P.S program that I was in was regulatory affairs. And I do find very often that, regulations, they change all the time, guidance changes all the time. It has happened that sometimes I'm the person with the most recent knowledge in the room. So that has been really good. So a big part of both my, educational journey, but also my professional journey has been to always be learning, always be looking for what new things you can learn. So being in this program definitely furthered that, and it opened new doors, not just professionally, but just in mindset, definitely helped me grow intellectually.